We detected unusual trades on advanced micro devices, otherwise known as AMD, today, July 29th. And what's very unusual about this is that tomorrow, July 30th, after hours, AMD reports earnings. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors or potential insiders are trading AMD for earnings. Are they bullish and buying or bearish and selling, so that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are also getting richer on Wall Street? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, including leaked insider information such as earnings reports, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the option time and sales tape, 14,000 contracts being traded at the same time, 12:39 at the 2-second mark for these August 16 options at the 160 strike calls and the 175 strike calls. We can do a quick calculation of the total trade cost over here. We can see how much they paid for the 160 strike calls, 202, and they sold the 175 strike calls for 56. So 202 is what they bought it for. They sold for 56. So each contract cost $146. And since there was a total of 14,000 contracts, this trade was $2 million. Now, just because it is $2 million does not mean it is a high probability of profit trade, because this has earnings risk. And that is why we simply followed this trade. And so you can see here for the August 16th, we are also in this position at the 160 strike calls over here, buying these and selling the 175 strike calls. The red is a sell, the green is a buy. And so we use position sizing in order to manage our risk because of the higher risk during earnings. If you want the higher probability of profit trades without the higher risk from earnings, then make sure to go to our website.
Visit www.unusualoption.com to join our membership and start your journey to a financial success with a partner you can trust.
We'll put a link at the top here where we share option strategies as well as the trades that the wealthy investors are trading. Now for this trade, you can see that they bought the 160 strike calls and they sold the 175 strike calls. And we know that they paid $146 for each of these trades. And so when we analyze this, we can see here that this is a vertical call spread. And x-axis here on this graph is the share price of AMD, currently trading at 139 here. As the share price goes up, this trade becomes profitable. It is a gain, positive, max profit 1,354 on the blue line. And so 1,354 reward divided by the risk of 146, you can see a risk to reward ratio of 9.27, meaning it could potentially make 927% profit. So the reward is very favorable on this trade. That is going long bullish on AMD. And that is why on the Greeks, we have a positive delta here. But notice the very high risk of theta, -7 here, meaning this trade will decay in value through time. And also, we can see that the break even at expiration is right here, where the zero profit loss line meets $161 per share. Okay, so at expiration, August 16, AMD has to be trading above $161 right here. So what is that? It's a move of at least 15%. So can that happen? Possibly, because it's earnings. And there could be a large rally, but we don't know. But maybe this trader is an insider who does know. And so that is why we follow their trades. We don't have to put a lot into this trade and using a small position in order to make 9 times the amount that we put in. But keep in mind, this is a higher risk trade. So it's possible we could lose 100% of what we put in. And that is why if you have a higher probability of profit trades, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link over here where we share the trades of wealthy investors who could be potential insiders and option strategies to reduce risk in order to increase profits. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, take care, and have a great day.